Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your mobile number in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top right corner you can see your profile. Click on it, then click to Account Settings. It will then take you to the account setting page. There you can see communication section. Since I have a demo version, I don't have that option available. But if you have a real trading account, you will see a communication section. Go on it, then you can see edit mobile number option. Select the mobile number that you want to edit and update the details. Verify your new mobile number, then click to Save Change. This is how you can change your mobile number in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.